Yolanda.
Yes, big brother.
You are hereby disqualified from the Big Brother house.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Yo guys, the bad news on Big Brother Mzansi. Yolanda disqualified from the show. MultiChoice have decided to disqualify Yolanda Mukondeleli Monyai following her remarks about molesting a fellow housemate. In a statement, the broadcaster says MultiChoice has investigated the matter regarding remarks made by housemate on Big Brother Mzansi, which is currently airing on DSTV channel 198. We do not condone any act that threatens the safety of the housemate on the show, and we take gender-based violence seriously. Therefore, housemate who made threatening remarks, Yolanda, has been disqualified from the game. Yo guys, the social media is very powerful. Yolanda, when she said what she said, I think she was not that serious, but unfortunately what she said have disqualified her from the show. And guys, yeah, like she was top 2 actually to people that I was thinking they will win the prize, and unfortunately she just did what Ubravo did, and Ubravo was disqualified because of almost the same remarks, and Naiwati Waidlala, and same thing happened to Yolanda. And guys, yeah, do leave your comment below and share what you think about Big Brother's decision with regard to what Yolanda have said. Bye.